as you know that our total flight length is around 3 kilometers. It starts from our Sargolda junction and ends at
अभी सिर्फ स्ट्रेच वाला हमें बोलिए ये अलाइनमेंट हो गया है,
ये अलाइनमेंट
सर्विस रोड को टच कर रहे हैं,
सर्विस रोड को हम टच कर रहे हैं, बट राइट नाउ वी आर नॉट डिस्टर्बिंग.
we are very clear with them. Alignment needs to do like this. We are not disturbing the service road. Keep it clear. Let us keep it clear. My concern is we have created a service road which has to remain. I understand. No, as per the drawings, I understand with the alignment which I have been informed by the PWD officials. Again, you are going to also touch the service road. Service road पे आप एंट्रेंस करने वाले हो, वो हमारा सर्विस रोड है. इसके अंदर आप कर रहे हो कि उसके वो बाजू में जाओगे आप.
So from this end, 25 meters left.
Yeah, so where is that?
Inside the service.
Then what correct? Be clear on that.
Part of the service road, only on this local stretch, around 200 meters, that is coming partly into the drain area.
It cannot come.
Beyond which the
It cannot come.
new service road is coming.
It cannot come.
Further, it is not disturbing.
This service road cannot be disturbed because it is not only a road, it is a road which is also catering to many other public amenities. इसीलिए मैंने पहले ही बोला था.
सर यही वाला स्टेज, ये हमारा जो स्टेज है ना, फर्दर हमारा वहाँ जो है फर्स्ट पियर आ रहा है. फ्रॉम दैट फर्स्ट पियर अराउंड 200 to 250 meters. That much of local stretch only.
What is the way you are going into the service road?
Almost half of the service road is going into the train. And beyond which the new service road is coming.
This service road cannot be touched because you need to understand that side.
Right.
We have that side of the
Understood.
land
Got your
which
point,
is
sir.
the
Beyond that small wall, the service road
ये
is there.
सर्विस रोड का लाइन है, लेकिन वो सर्विस रोड का लाइन जो एंडिंग होता है वहाँ हमारा पूरा लाइन ऑफ ये है अपना बाउंड्री ऑफ थिंग्स विच आर अराउंड.
Right.
So आप जब वो सर्विस रोड इसके अलग में लोगे then the whole disturbance in the whole area of Konoram will start happening. You have enough area this side where you could have moved this inside also, which for which I told you don't touch, we may discuss. We have all have been little more aggressive on this, but you need to be clear all of you. Acquired land is touching this. Your wall touching here to that wall touching there is acquisition area of yours. If it is not, you all have to acquire it, but it cannot come into an area which will disturb our existing infrastructure. This I have said not today. ये आपको मालूम नहीं है, लेकिन I have been clear with them from day one. We don't disturb the existing service road. Correct, Jude?
Your foundation is coming that side. No, not foundation. No. I'll show you.
Cutting and putting the drain inside of the service road.
I'll show you, sir.
Culvert and the thing what is cutting here.
DC rate बताइए.
सर्विस रोड ना सर्विस रोड की गुजर जा रहा है
Pier को problem है.
when there is a service road why you doing another service road
That's a decision you have to
no that's what I'm saying just because it is in their scope क्या बेटा
What you have said is correct. If the existing
foundation
service road,
only the superstructure is coming
What is happening is we have a two sides drain and culvert. Correct. The drain and culvert to construct.
Sir, I'll
one
just show
part
you.
of the drain and culvert we have been told is coming on that service road which cannot come.
we will not do that we will do it this side
I'll just show you. My foundation, it is not at all disturbing anything. It is coming off the road, right, sir? Now beyond the foundation there is a service road, which is the upcoming service road. Now, sorry, these drains, they are coming in the existing service road. What we are discussing right now.
as per
is
your
that-
drawing you are saying as per your
As per my drawing. Now, if we don't want to disturb that existing road, we have to avoid this. And then this correct, the existing road will sustain.
So क्या कर रहे हैं? You are a contractor. Correct. After consultant of PWD, you need to discuss with us on these local issues before you start in the work. You will start digging.
No,
They
I'll
will talk
take
about acquisition.
I need permission.
But unless the local authorities, panchayat or me, traffic police, everybody has to be taken in confidence. I had very clearly mentioned कि जब तक CM के पास में review ना हो, ये ना हो करके. Suddenly you have started work without even information to anybody. I was clear with Alan also in the last review. Have the whole thing done up. They told me you are only reconstructing those compound walls on the Pura line. Said okay, ठीक है, वो ठीक है. वो आपको line लेने के लिए. बाकी का we need to take local problems into consideration. We have to understand local issues. You all have to understand the local topography. We are with development. अटल सेतु के टाइम में भी planned it well. इसके लिए अटल सेतु हो गया. अभी भी planning की जरूरत है. तो ये planning में आप सभी ये जो लेके आए हैं, as long as you are not touching into the service road, there are no issues. But if you are getting into the service road and cutting the service road, we have a problem because right from senior citizens to everybody, that has become one road, not only as a road, it is a human as a space for public. So it is different amenities which we are creating in that area. So we wouldn't want that to be disturbed. So below the bridge spire, आपको कुछ road लेना है, drain लेना है,
drain will shift
you
inside,
shift
sir.
it and look at it within this side. तुमचे कितने problem असते हैं आता बोला है.
This road is
1 minute, I'll just complete my point. Secondly, ये करते हुए आपका traffic management, local issues have not been taken. So we are disturbing. क्या होता है? पेट के सवाल के लिए शाम को लोग कुछ मोटरेबल गाड़ा देने पुटिंग है. We cannot disturb their बारिश का टाइम है, everything is low. You cannot disturb their hand to mouth. Suddenly we have taken these people out. Where do we locate them? Yeah? So everything needs to have a particular plan to do it. I am not telling you not to do it. But talk to them, talk to us, talk to these people. Let them look at, talk to our people who are staying in our people, our voters and our constituents. We are disturbing the whole area. In the name of development, development चाहिए, but inclusive करेंगे. So I would suggest that PWD, all of you all, let us have a meeting, sit together and then come to a conclusion.
I'll add something to it.
Yeah, so now only with this particular thing, मेरा एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी का मामला है जो आपको शेयर किया. अभी इन लोगों को हम लोग फोन करते हैं चोको ब्लॉक का बाकी का. When I ask him about traffic management, he says I don't know. Now that particular thing over there, you will have put some barricade.
Actually, what we have done so far, we have not disturbed any of the local government. We have taken up the work only in those areas which are prime sector. That is number one. Secondly, for our further, taking up the activities, what we have done that we have already prepared the diversion plan, the road diversion plan. Mr. Sandeep is closely working with us, and the final and the SK traffic has already made a visit. Now, as long as we don't get the approval from the city authority, from the police, from the department,
We work at very
we will
micro
not
level.
disturb anything.
We work at we appreciate what traffic is doing.
Yes.
But traffic के साथ में there are many more things which are challenging. So we need to understand what roads they are going to. If you are telling me that they are going to the internal roads,
Right.
it cannot happen because our internal traffic already
We are
is
not
high.
disturbing. We are not
My
disturbing.
chance is there. No, you wouldn't know that. They should also talk to us. We should know what is happening.
Exactly.
We don't know what is their plan. I don't know what is the traffic plan.
What we have decided.
No, I just complete. So I just complete.
What sir is saying is actually practical. What we are thinking.
Sukur,
Once
see,
it
from
is
Sukur,
approved, then I
our
have
traffic
meeting with
here.
you.
You roughly have about now, आज की तारीख में 15 से 20,000 गाड़ी per hour crossing. It was 10,000 earlier. It has gone to 15 to 20,000 vehicles.
Yes.
The deputy collector has no. Where is deputy collector? Deputy collector to आयला. Are they informed to stop heavy duty trucks and all these vehicles on this? They are leading to more traffic jam. We have asked National Highway to ensure traffic management not only on this.
Right.
He has to talk to his SP and ensure that highway का जो traffic है, जो CN से बात किया था, जो अभी तक चालू नहीं हुआ, मतलब कहाँ पे? मापसा से. मापसा से जो भी डाइवर्ट करना है या होंडा से बड़े ट्रक्स, ये बड़े ट्रक का मूवमेंट ही बंद होना है. अभी भी चालू है. बड़े ट्रक्स आर डिस्टर्बिंग ऑल द ट्रैफिक मूवमेंट. So now this is a part which you might be visualizing, but this is a part which we are facing. Our people are facing, our common people are facing, not only Porvorim, all the belt. And अभी तक काम चालू नहीं है उनका. काम चालू होने के बाद we will have more challenges. So right now we are working with them to open new roads, artery roads, new roads to be taken up, which we need to move on a war footing as you start this type of work. Secondly, we have told you to touch Kokero first, not this area. First finish Kokero because that is the more challenging area for us to complete. अभी आप लोग इधर आ गए, no problem with your manpower, you may be able to manage. But let traffic, let मामलेदार, let the departments
All the
come.
stakeholders have to
Sewerage
come.
क्या सर है? तुमची लाईन आहे ताली मरांगा. तुम्ही 3 बिल्डिंगकडे लाईन घेतलेली बाय. So we told you to shift it. Now they have a line coming there. After all your work is done, they will come and they will say now we want to break this open, which we have kept them on hold.
Right.
So why don't you understand first? Your consultant था, आपका consultant आया हुआ है. हाँ, वो साहब से हम लोगों ने बात किया था कि पहले टिपोग्राफी स्टडी करो, ट्रैफिक मैनेजमेंट स्टडी करो, आप हमें प्रेजेंट करने वाले हो. वो प्रेजेंटेशन के पहले ही प्रॉब्लम हुआ है. होली फैमिली जहाँ हम लोग जाएंगे अभी जंक्शन के सामने, इनको पूछो डेली दे हैव चैलेंजेस. बट वो जंक्शन मोटा करना पड़ेगा. दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स यू डू फर्स्ट. ओपन द जंक्शंस, क्रॉस जंक्शन. होली फैमिली चर्च के सामने जो जंक्शन है मोटा करो, क्रॉस लोडिंग के लिए इजी करो. जहाँ रोड्स बंद होना है वो अल्टरनेट रोड्स बंद करने के पहले अल्टरनेट रोड्स ओपन करेंगे ना, मार्केट चालू करूंगी मतलब.
So those areas, because we know that there are issues, what Sir is saying is, what you have said is totally correct, and we understood this. That is the reason that we did not disturb those areas, sir. Second thing is that in the Kopori Junction part, there are a lot of underground utilities. So we have not touched anything, because I know if I start there first, our activities, before that I need to shift the utilities. So we have already done the complete study of the same. Now the same study along with the proposal has already been given to the traffic department. So
We have not approved it still.
no, I'm not saying. I did not say that you were. I said that it is submitted.
Yeah, it is not yet approved.
No, I am not saying it is approved. I am awaiting that.
Yeah, but why it is not approved is because nobody has come to discuss our plan. We
No, we
already
have discussed.
we have already made our scheme ready, but we already started doing something which is totally going
We
against
discussed
our.
with the SP traffic. We personally came.
We have not
No,
approved.
it is a matter of discussion.
No.
Matter of discussion.
File is there with SP. No, we have not approved because the scheme what we have drawn for the smooth movement of traffic is totally against what he started the work.
He is coordinating with your person.
You all
Already
coordinated
know what is being told.
No, we are continuously in touch with the department.
Just show if you see our scheme now.
How can he coordinate? You are the central agency, Jude. You all are the parent agency of this part. So you all have to take everybody. Last time we had a meeting. We understood the problem.
We have this traffic diversion plan also. They are always
We have already submitted, sir. We have already prepared. We have.
Sir, मेरा थोड़ा सुनिए.
Yes, sir.
यही मेरा प्रॉब्लम है. Imagine a common person calling the sarpanch or the punch members are calling
Understand.
us about their problem. It is genuine problem.
Genuine
Not related to only our people of Kororin, but people traveling on this belt.
True.
So we need to solve those problems.
Definitely.
Nobody is against development. We want this thing long pending है. लेकिन ठीक तरह से करेंगे ना. अभी हम लोगों ने how many meetings we have had, Jude? I think I must say by now had at least 10 to 12 meetings with the team to smoothen it. You have come only for one meeting. But 10-12 मीटिंग हम लोगों ने इन सब लोगों के साथ में लिया है, so स्मूथ मैनेजमेंट हो जाए. अभी तक मामलतदार के ऑफिस और डेप्यूटी कलेक्टर से ऑफिस से पूछा तो कलेक्टर ने कोई नोटिफिकेशन निकाला नहीं है हैवी व्हीकल मूवमेंट का. हैवी व्हीकल मूवमेंट चालू ही है. आप यहाँ देखिए मूवमेंट चालू ही रहेगा. वो ट्रैफिक अड़क करके रखती है. ऊपर से ये आप लोग जो सडनली अब पिक टाइम में एक काम चालू कर दिया तो लोकल वेंडर्स आर हैविंग अ प्रॉब्लम. पीपल हु आर हैंड टू माउथ ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. तो why don't we have one meeting sorted out before you all do this?
We already had a meeting.
Sir, that letter.
No, but we are not included in the. Nobody's of us is included in the meeting. I am the. Forget being a minister. I am an MLA of this constituency. Yeah?
We directly cannot come to your level, so we have.
I am actively involved myself at micro level. Sarke Jude, Sarke alert. But every small issue of traffic, everything, please understand before touching. Sarke sit
Yes, sir.
तुझे सारखे पण तुम्ही किती बोलले ना तुमचे समज
He is having his own traffic plan. It will not work out. It has to be through police only. I have given it to police, sir.
I have
We have already given it to
Do
police.
you have any suggestions?
No, it is with police. I am awaiting their opinion on that.
So now I'll tell you, you can see first and
Plan
foremost.
already devised. But now, as promised by you that no service road will be touched, it is according to that. But if you are going to touch the service road, what do I do with this file? My file goes
Sir,
in the
in my
dustbin.
proposal, there is no point where we have proposed to touch the service point, service road. We have not touched
You are
the
keeping
service
it all open.
road. We are not discussing the service
I am
road.
giving
We have
it, so
discussed.
it will be kept open.
And that's the point that we have been told.
Before we started the meeting,
Yes, sir.
your design says your drain and culvert comes in the service road. As of now,
As of now.
just now discussing, you are saying you are moving it. So as per the traffic plan submitted, how can you tell me that that is not there now?
No, but I cannot do that until unless it is approved. It is only proposal,
Sir, समझ के लीजिए, you are a builder developer. You have to understand our problem.
Yes,
In
I
your
got it.
design and scope of work, you are taking the service road. Correct?
Correct.
Now we are requesting you and the National Highway Authorities कि वो टच मत करो, यहाँ के अंदर बात करो.
वही करेंगे हम लोग, सर.
लेकिन डिसीजन अभी तक हुआ नहीं इन लोगों का. डिसीजन नहीं हुआ है तो ये लोग अपने काम से करेंगे. अभी imagine when your work is happening, even if you try to disturb the service road, you know the traffic going on the service road at peak hours. Nobody is studying this. Now they have studied it. उनका तो सुन के ले लो यार.
नहीं सर, उसीलिए हमने फाइल उनको दिया हुआ
नहीं
है.
लेकिन but
I want to hear from you. That's the reason.
he is the main nodal person for the all authority discussions. Correct? Along with him, the principal chief engineer and the chief minister, who is also the PWD minister. Correct? So what did I tell you last? आप सब आपका अंदर मीटिंग ले लो. प्रेजेंटेशन एक सीएम के साथ में हम लोगों को जॉइंटली करो. जो भी हमारे इश्यूज है वहाँ हम लोग ले लेंगे. जहाँ पंचायत बॉडी ऑल्सो शुड बी देयर.
Sir, we are ready. Whenever you suggest, we can give it the presentation. We are ready.
Then what is happening is, if this is not within you all are not ready,
Understood.
then we cannot start. Then we have a problem.
We can give a presentation, sir, as per your advice.
So whatever you all have had as drawings, present it. Wherever we have issues, we'll discuss it. जो भी प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट करना है बैठ के खत्म करेंगे किती म्हणटाले आता ताजे पैसे आधी ही इज नॉट इवन अवेअर अबाउट द नोटिफिकेशन दॅट फेलो सीवरेज विल बी क्वाईट नाव ए पुलकित तुझे हाका पळय रे हाका रे तुमचे आणि नॅशनल हायवेचे डिस्कशन जाला तुमचो सीवरेजचो पॉयंट खंय येता खंयतले खंय ते उलोवन जाला वॉटर पायपलायन पळय रे तुमचें डिस्कशन जाला मेन पायपलायन आमी जी ओडटा ती क्लियर जाली खंयच्यान ओडटा ती जाली सर्वीस रोड टच करना मरे
We have personally discussed. We have discussed
आणि
everything.
when you're going from Kokero side that has been discussed आधी जे आमचे जी सकयल आसा अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग तो खंय इलेक्ट्रिकल खंय
We are not going on the service road.
No, right now we are not, because the traffic has to go to the service road now.
That's the only way out.
No, we don't disturb. We don't disturb now.
We are
No,
okay.
so what we need to do is, I told you, भितरले रस्ते हाऊसिंग बोर्ड हे तुम्ही पॉप्युलेट करनाका आमकां करता आसतना ऑल्टरनेट आमी आनी एक रस्तो खंयचो दिल्लो PDA फाटलो दिल्लो
PDA फाटलो
ते पळयताले सो त्यो जागे जो पर्यंत जाग्यार घालना दिस इज नॉट अ 1 month or 2 months मिनिमम 2.5 3 years they need and that allows the infrastructure overall to broaden it becomes easier for normal people to travel आता ताणी रस्तो खंयचो घेता तुजो तुमी ओके म्हणला खंयचो Chogam Road going down to Sangolda and then coming.
And another one is through Pilan.
You go these days itself, your traffic people stand in the evening, you will see the traffic there. Without you disturbing this traffic, it will be immovable
It is very
traffic.
tough for us.
सांगोळलेच्यान कलंगूट ट्रॅफिकच मूव जायना मागीर तुमी कशें मूव करतले सी अंडरस्टैंड आवर चैलेंजेस
Understood, sir.
सॉल्व करेंगे लेकिन इन सब लोगों ने करना तो है कितें करया अगले अंडरग्राउंड केबिन तो म्हाका पयर सांगतालो तो क्लियर येवना म्हणून क्लॅरिटी येवना म्हणून जाली
We already had a meeting, sir.
Highway.
We already had a long
Holy
meeting.
family issue is clear.
Alan,
Holy family
ODP
junction
road
issue is
पडायला.
clear.
आमचे clear झाले.
Holy
We met,
family
sir, we met.
shift करपाचो घेतलो
We personally discussed everything.
अजून घेवना आमी थंय वतले So if you have understood the gist
Yes,
of these
sir.
issues, then please, I think Jude, you and Ellen need to discuss with the authorities. Come with one plan for presentation for CM and us. And there, if there are issues, we will discuss.
Right now you have taken only for this.
Only this portion. Now we are not disturbing the
Take it
service
in
road.
phases, sir.
Sir, that is what we have discussed with the traffic department also.
Only this.
फेज म्हणून कितें केल्ली पीक सिजनाक तुका कोकेरो हात लावंक मेळना सो सांगोळडेच्यान तुवें पयलें तुमी उलयल्लें लास्ट टायम पायल करचें पडटा बी थंयच्यान सुरू केलें न्ही ताणें म्हणिल्लें आपल्याक 6 म्हयने जाय ते पायल सोंपोवपाक करेक्ट मरे सो 6 months from now if you start before the season November December you're finishing the piles which is allowing our Kokero road not to be congested simultaneously you are working on those roads Alan alternate artery roads so opening more avenues of movement that traffic management will help them will help us imagine the traffic congestion for people who are coming towards Bangalore forget for
Once you start foundation, side by side, you start shifting of utilities of that.
so let us discuss that
Who
during
was
the, so let us discuss it for the review and getting with CN so for my submission to all of you is Ellen and Jude should take meeting with all your departments, parent departments, whoever is concerned, whether SP है, कोई है, किसी एक सांग मचा होता किसी करे, and PC has to chair the meeting, get these issues sorted. Once these issues are sorted, then we need to come to the next level of putting things across. Coordination ठीक है, problem नहीं आएगा. Coordination problem है तो बहुत problem आएगा. दूसरा है इसका state highway.
Sir, before meeting CM,
Road
तुमच्याकडे एक
sir.
presentation
Yeah,
आहे.
sir, one will be
तुम्ही एक सांग आताच सांग. They are ready with the
Yeah, one
presentation.
Tomorrow evening.
One with you.
Tomorrow evening possible to give presentation.
Tomorrow शाम को बैठेंगे.
Traffic सब हमारा water
हाँ,
supply
मैं only
सब
will
सब
convey
कुछ
the time. पहले क्या सर है? तुका क्या सांगू? पहले सांगचे करूया.
Tomorrow evening.
Yes.
Only will convey the time. Late evening को निकलेगा.
Yes.
No.
No, from the complete stretch. Sir, because our proposal we have given
Phase
from both
wise,
the
yeah,
ends.
sir. Phase wise.
We'll
Sir,
give a
because now our
principal-
sequence will start from both the ends. Accordingly, we have prepared the plan.
I would suggest principal clarity of this type of things which are coming, we will clear.
Ah,
Major decisions which are there, we will keep for CM and to
right.
decide on that. And जो भी ट्रैफिक मैनेजमेंट और नॉर्मल रोड जल्दी लेना है क्या लेना है वो सीएम के साथ
That will be
डिसाइड ले
better.
लेंगे उसके पहले इन साहब लोगों ने उसका रेकी करके रेडी करना है बस दूसरा आपका जो भी मशीनरी है और वाटर टैंकर जो भी है लोकल जाना है बाहर से मत लेके आइए यहाँ हमारे लोग पेट के हैं वो
Sir, that is our own actually. Our own equipment is there.
नो we'll have to talk on
I'll
this.
bring hand,
We'll have to talk on this.
We are owning
We
those
require
equipment.
two heavy cranes to be kept on both the sides. I'm putting it in.
That he already told me
In advance.
for towing vehicle.
No, towing we got. I want heavy crane both the sides.
heavy cranes
सगळे discuss करा.
towing vehicle.
Towing is what I'll give you ours.
सगळं road define करा.
Heavy crane. Because only we got in banking.
नाला थंय करतले.
heavy crane stand by also they are having, so they'll give you. Stand by.
Quarry bridge we face
Can be
lot
that
of
possible?
Quarry
For
bridge.
towing vehicle we already discussed.
No, he is talking of heavy crane.
Heavy crane we already have our heavy cranes. We already have. We already have that.
ODP रस्ता तुम्ही घेता? तुम्ही ODP रस्ता clear केला?
NOC.
ती सोड, टेम्पल
उलयता करा.
आणि
I'll
तो
talk to
भितरलो
DC.
रस्ता केलो. नायराक तुम्ही काम चालू करपाक लावपाचें आशिल्लें, केलो भितरलो. कदंबा ते सोडून करपाक लायलें. तुका आमी डिसिजन घेवपाक कमी लागतलो.
To be used for your work. I want it to be totally given because if some incident takes place, Zuari Bridge we face lot of problems. Just give us 2 cranes standby. I made a letter also officially to
तुझे
PWD.
टाउन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग
Our cranes I'll give you. 2 other ones that I'll give you.
आणि
There is no
स्टडी केला
problem. But heavy ones,
सर्टन रिअलाइनमेंट शिफ्टिंग मातशें वॉर फुटिंगाक
We
घेवचें
have only one.
that's the way we do it.
Whenever it is required, we can divert it.
Now I have seen Zuari what happened.
हाँ, देखो.
Other cities we have seen Zuari.
आणि स्टेट हायवेकडे आज ते मध्ये आलं तू मातसो पार्टिसिपेट करा तुमच्या भितर तो सॉर्ट आउट झालं जाल्यार ते सॉर्टेड मायनर इश्यू
भितरूच पडलें